Jacob Guidi. Jacob is the Director of Relationship Development at Thrive Benefits Group. He has a doctorate of musical arts from the University of North Texas. He's a cellist, and he serves nonprofits by helping them turn employee benefits into never-ending fundraising.
We want to know, what is the most important message that you have for them today?
As an employee, your employer's most valuable asset, no matter what people say in the age of AI. And as an employer, you should regard your employees with that respect. And some of the best ways that you can take care of them isn't through promotions and $10,000 raise, but by taking care of them holistically and giving them a sense of belonging through the care that you provide. You can find me at neverendingfundraiser.com. If you just want to get in touch with me right away, my email is jacob@thrive, THRIVEBG.com.